Pick up your phone, that's the first step. Step 2 is to look at some videos, and step 3 is to receive your earnings. In today's video, I'll show you how to make money online as a passive income with no skills or prior experience. And let's be honest, most of us watch videos on YouTube on a daily basis. However, this way you'll be able to earn money doing something that you currently do every day. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so the website that will be paying us today is gg2u.org. And before I go ahead and explain everything, I'd like to remind you to be patient and to keep an eye on things. Because if you skip this video and go straight to the website, you will not be able to use it to its best potential. And you'll be able to make a few pennies here and there. But you'll be missing out on a lot more than that, effectively throwing money away. That is exactly what I want you to avoid. So please, once again, keep watching the video until the end and pay close attention to the steps that I'm going to show you for this method. And if you follow all of them, you should be able to start earning good money while watching videos online. So in general, watching videos is not the only way to get money on this website. However, in my experience, it is by far the best because it simply requires the least amount of work. You simply open a video, leave it running while you're off doing something else, and you still get paid. Whereas surveys, games, and other similar tasks require your full attention in order to collect your earnings, which is why I don't really prefer them. However, if you have a little more time on your hands, you can also get paid in this way. In terms of payments, you can be paid through PayPal and a variety of gift cards. So if you're enthusiastic about those things, which I know many of you are, it's a viable payment option. If you don't like cryptocurrency in general, PayPal and gift cards are also an option. As far as the website is concerned, among other reasons, I chose it because it distributes the majority of its funds to its members. In other words, between 65 and 85% of the money they earn from advertising is given to the individuals who watch the videos, in this case us. And that is, as you can see, unprecedented. In terms of websites like this, they typically only give the members around 50% of their earnings from the advertisement, and in most cases it is far lower than that. As a result, this website pays more than the other similar websites, and furthermore, as you've probably noticed by now, you get paid $1 simply for signing up, which takes 30 seconds, no more than that. When you first arrive on this website, signing up is as simple as entering your initial name, email address, username, password, country, ticking this box, and clicking sign up. That's all there is to it. I'll log into my new account now so we can show you how you can start generating money with this website. So here's how this website looks once you log in. As you can see, I did actually receive my $1 sign up bonus. It states that I must have $7, and you need this $7 in order to withdraw your earnings. And let's face it, that's not much in any way, shape, or form. You should be able to easily attain such amount in terms of getting compensated. I'd want to point out that if you prefer to get paid in Bitcoin, you'll have to pay a 3% charge, which isn't a big deal. However, if you don't want to pay even that, PayPal may be a better option for you because there's no cost and you will receive 100% of your profit. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's carry on. Anyway, now that you're back on this page, you'll be able to look at the offers that you can complete with a white backdrop that will lead you to a separate website, but you'll still get paid on this website. For the time being though, as I previously stated, videos will be our primary focus because they are like the greatest way to accomplish this. Clicking on these will take you directly to this page, and something you'll notice on this website that I need to explain is the point system. As you can see, for every 200 points you score, you will receive a silver token worth between $1 and $3. It is critical that you understand this. We'll also need a hideout account for this to work because, as stated here, if you don't already have a hideout account, click here to join hideout. When you watch hideout videos, the points you earn can be changed into GG2U video points by clicking the redeem balance button on their respective websites. It is also possible to look at videos directly from the Hideaway website, so you'll also need an account on this website, and it won't take much of your time. Simply click here, enter your basic information, and make an account, and you're good to go. Just as it was stated on the previous website, you can also watch the videos from this page, and that's perfectly fine. The second thing that I want to point out is if you have an ad blocker installed like I do, no videos will be available. So before you begin, make sure you disable your ad blocker as I previously said. The beautiful thing about this is that you do not have to watch the videos. I discovered that you can open multiple of them and at the same time turn off the sound, and they'll make you money still as if you were watching all of them. Watching videos on your phone is also a good option, especially if you're stuck somewhere and have nothing to do. Anyway, believe it or not, this is not the only website that I am showing you today. For those of you who have made it this far, I have a bonus website that will generate you money in the same way. Zerklami is the name of the second website. It is, as you can see, accessible for both iOS and Android. So much as the previous website, if you want to do this on your phone, you may do so. Now, when you land on this page, your first step is to simply click on register in the upper right corner. I'll do it again right now and show you what you'll find when you do. So when you register on this website, this is what your dashboard will look like. It is really simple to begin earning money here. Click on Earned right here, which will now show you all of the numerous ways you can make money online with. You must first and foremost engage in social media, which is a new one that I believe most sites like this do not have. Of course, you may play games, take surveys, and use websites, watch videos and ads. This one, in my opinion, is by far the greatest website you can do this on, and I'll explain why in a moment. The final options are to get compensated for making comments, creating accounts, and doing online shopping. This website, as you've seen, is rather unique in terms of earning a living. It has certain options here that I don't see very often on other websites. Now let me show you how simple this is. When you click on Earn here, you will be taken to this website, and all you have to do now is click Earn again, which will open a new window. And as you can see, I simply have to leave it open, and because the timer will continue to tick, I will not have to visit the website in question. I simply leave it open, and that's all there is to it. Of course, while this is my preferred method of making money online with this website, I encourage you guys to experiment with the other choices available on our channel. It's certainly not a bad thing for you to check out our other videos and try those methods as well. That's all there is to it. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you all in the new video tomorrow. As always, take care.